we have here today is a 2009 BMW 335i. It's a 3-litre twin turbo which produces about 225 kilowatts of power at the flywheel and about 400 newton meters of torque. Now the customer's had this car for a little while, wants to hang on to it, but he's looking for a little bit more power from it. Now he's seen our Stage 3 package on our website and has employed the Horsepower Factory to get a few more beans out of this thing. So let's get it up onto the dyno and see what it makes.
The Stage 3 kit is designed to be a no-fuss, no-frills upgrade that gives you the best bang for buck. The kit comprises of a pair of high-flow downpipes, a cob inlet charge pipe and a CSF front mount intercooler. This particular customer has also asked us to fit a pair of Turbo Smart blow-off valves. The first job is a fiddly one and it's removing the original downpipes. Once these have been removed, we have the unique perspective to be able to check out that the original turbos are in good working order. Once everything has been checked out, it's time to fit the new high-flow catted downpipes. Working in some tight confines, it takes a bit of patience and manoeuvring to get these in place, but once in, they fit perfectly. Next we need to remove the original intercooler situated behind the front bumper. Here you can see just how small the original unit is. This will be replaced with a much bigger and more efficient unit, but to do this we need to remove the front bumper for easier access. The new, larger intercooler will provide more tuning capability and, equally as important, greater consistency of power. Moving on, next we remove the intake so we have access to the brittle plastic intake pipe, which we will replace with a new high-flow reliable metal version. Here you can see we have pre-fitted the Turbo Smart blow-off valves to the charge pipe, and these will give us better boost response with no leaks. With all the hoses plumbed in and a new K&N high-flow filter installed, it's onto our dyno for a custom ECU remap. An incredible 64 kilowatt increase at the wheels with 50% gain in mid-range torque. But what does the customer think of it? Let's find out.
As tuned as you can get them unless you spend a few bucks. Shall we go down the freeway?
Yeah, sure.
But I love this car and the power curve of the turbo is just fantastic. So let's see how we go here. Just with that little kick in the guts. Yeah, oh my god, yeah. That'll get you into trouble, but it's no louder. No one really would pick it. It's a bit of a sleeper. And I feel a lot better too. It's got the intercooler in it, so that's going to help protect the engine a bit. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Big difference. Pushes you back a little bit. Just switch it to manual and see how that goes. Oh yeah. That's insane, isn't it? I just got to get used to how quickly it goes through the gears now. I'm just used to, you know, it's sitting in first gear for that fraction of a second longer, but we used that first gear up real quick. That's pretty impressive.
Fantastic.
Yeah, no, I'm really impressed with that. That's it's hard to sort of, I guess, pick it up on a video like this, but you can feel that kick when it pushes you back. That's really impressive. And it's always a bit of a concern, isn't it, getting your car and performance enhanced. You've got a whole lot of clowns out there that they want your money more than you do, and they don't necessarily give you a good service. But so I did a lot of research in terms of reviews, having a bad experience with those guys.
Okay.
Yeah, there was just nothing but really good reviews.
Yeah, oh, fantastic.
So felt a lot confident, and dealing with Matt has been really good as well. So he's always given me the communication, let me know what's up and so on. So I mean, just having pulling up to your warehouse there, your shop, and having a look at the infrastructure that you've got there is really impressive as well. That makes us feel comfortable too, that you've got an investment in your business in bricks and mortar, where you definitely need it in this sort of a game where you need dynos and all the rest of it, and the expertise. So I'm very happy with this. Well, it was actually cheaper than the other place that I was getting it done, and I got more bang for my bucks in terms of I got included a blow-off valve for probably the same price for the same sort of upgrades, a lot of the cob upgrades that I've got, that they quoted me before, the other company, but they didn't include a blow-off valve. So good value for money for sure. You know, you've got to find a mixture of reputation, quality and price. You don't want to pay, you know, if it's too cheap, you're going to be asking questions, why is it so cheap? And you're going to be nervous after having get the car done. It might be driving it for a few weeks or months and being a bit worried about, hey, I got a really good price, but what's going to go wrong with it? So paying a price that is a fair price. I think the next thing I might need to do is get the brakes looked after. Yeah. You got all these go, you want a bit of wob as well.
So there you have it, directly from the customer's mouth. You couldn't ask for more than that. A fantastic little upgrade for this car. Now, if you'd like to know more about the BMW packages that we have, go to our website, hp-f.com.au, or call us on 1800-GO-FAST.